Hello you guys. Welcome to today's fun little video. Today we are making the cutest little 3D pockets. These were inspired by a little project that Seven Plaza did, and you guys know I love her. She is so fun and awesome. I think she is one of the most creative people in the junk journaling business, and so yes, I just wanted to give credit where credit is due. I did turn this into a digital kit. It is in the March kit, but I have also decided to sell it separately, so you can buy it in its own individual little thing, or you can buy the entire March kit and get this and a bunch of other fun stuff. And one of my favorite things about this kit is just all the little details. Everywhere you look, there's just these cute little stamping details, and it's super fun. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and everything is linked in the description, and here we go. Okay, so before we jump into it really quickly, I just kind of want to show you my plan of where I'm going to be putting this. You open up the journal, which this file folder journal template is included in the March kit, and you open it up and you have the freebie from yesterday, my journal signature I added in, and here is where I'm going to be putting the file folders, kind of like that, because they're 3D. So I created a little safe place for them to be. It's really cute. Okay, so we can just jump into it then. I'm gonna set all of this aside. And first things first is you're gonna grab a file folder. I'm gonna be using this one. I'm loving the green. I think it's really cute. And then you are going to also grab a pair of these. So there are some fun designs, and it just depends on what you want to do. There's like a craft paper, white and orange, which might be really cute. I think I'll go with the white and orange. And a matching butterfly. I'll do that last to decide what looks best. First things first is you want to fold your file folder and just fold it below this line and above this line. So I already scored mine, that's why I'm folding it so easily. Fold it this way as well. Perfect. And then I need to ink my edges. Then I'm going to grab these little guys and do the exact same thing. Just fold both lines like that until you kind of have that shape formed. Now comes the part where it just gets put together really quickly. So grab some glue. I'm just going to be using a glue stick and just glue the side with the curved edge. Oh no. So that side. And line it up in a spot that you think looks nice. And be careful not to glue the crease down because it still needs to be able to fold really easily. But that's essentially all you're going to do. Repeat on the other side and try to make them even. So that's kind of what we got so far. If you have brads and want to add some brads, this is a good time. When I was creating this, I added some fake brads, as you guys can see. That's what these are meant to be, but you can also have some real ones. This is a good time to use those supplies. So this is the step where you would go ahead and use an awl to make a little bit of a hole and add your brads in. So maybe you guys can see there's the ones with the brads and there are the fake brads. Not too much of a difference, but it still does add kind of like a hardware look, which we gotta love. We love that. So I'm gonna repeat on the same side. I just want to point out how cute this little stamping effect is. That's kind of on all of them. Just stamping effects everywhere there. It's just all the edges are covered and it's really cute, and I think it adds a lot of good character. The final step is for you to flip it inside out and glue down your edges like so, making sure to just gently be gentle with it and make it close. You can also use like a ruler to stick in there and press it so that you're fully gluing it down. And there's the back. Now, the back is cute enough that you could have it out and separate, and that's totally fine, but mine's going to be getting glued down, so I'm not doing anything with it. You can also add little butterflies on, which just creates a fun look. I have a few included in the kit. You can take a look at them, but I have some orange ones, more green ones. I'm really liking that lime green one. And another fun idea is you can actually have it sticking up. So you can add like a chipboard circle under and have it like popping off the page a little, or you can just glue it down. I think for this one, I'll just glue it down. But again, just use that ruler if there's anything you need to stick down. And there it is. It's super simple, really fun. Also, how cute would it be to like create a wall, like you put like, I'll do it this way. You put maybe 3 file folders down. So this is just a random idea. 3 file folders down. This was my prototype, so ignore that one. And they're like literally pockets, so you can stuff like note cards in there, or use them for storage, use them for decoration, whatever it is your heart desires. To wrap this video up, I just wanted to show you guys where I am thinking about adding them into my journal. And of course, I could also do this cute orange color, but I will decide all that later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, everything is linked in the description. This is included in the March kit, but you can also buy it separate. Hope you guys have a lovely day, and thank you so much for watching, and be sure to watch tomorrow's video as well. See ya!